Hi guys, this is Jackie from the BUILDERALL team. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create A/B testing on Cheetah. The first thing to do for A/B testing is to go and create your pages. Now for this example, I've got a test 1, a test 2 and a thank you page. The difference that's going to change between these two pages is basically the color of the word. So it's test 1 and test 2. But the rest is going to be exactly the same. And then I've got the thank you page, which I'm going to use in this example as the conversion that's going to happen once people has given the information in either of these pages, so that we would be able to pick it up on our testing, A/B testing. So the first thing is to go and grab an email marketing form. I'm just going to grab the one at the top. And I'm going to connect my list to it. And because I want this to go to the thank you page, I'm just going to change it now so that we can see the results immediately. And I would like it to go to the thank you page, which it's picking up there already. Subscribe, confirm, also to the thank you page. And we're going to hit save. That's fine. I'm going to go to the next one and do exactly the same thing to this page. Grab your marketing form. Choose the list. And make sure that it is linking to the thank you page, because you want to make sure that you can see the conversion happening. I'm just doing that. And I'm going to hit save. That's fine. And now I'm going to close these pages because I'm not going to use them now. And I always republish before I start. And then I'm going to go to the left hand side. I'm going to go straight down until I find split test. I'm going to add split test. Main page test 1. And the thank you page is where the conversion happens. And we add the variation now, which is test 2. Then we're going to scroll. You can see test 1 and test 2 is the variation. The view the data, then you'll see it sits right there ready to test. One last thing to check before you test is to make sure that your first page has got the blue icon with the little house in. Otherwise your test is not going to work. And again, I just republish. Please note with testing that you will sometimes have to click a few times before you will see the right page. So in this case, we're just going to click on the 3 little dots, and that's test 1. Go to the website page, and it gives us test 1. So let's just do it again. Go to the website page, test 1. I'm just going to grab the URL at the top. Let's just reload it again. And it shows test 1 again. Test 1. Let's try incognito. Paste the link. And now it gives you test 2. So I'm just going to give my email address right there for now. Now it's going to thank you page. I'm going to close that page. And I am going to close that one again. And I'm just going to go to the website again. And now I'm going to give another email address here. And there's the thank you page. And let's go again. And I'm going to copy that. Let me go use another. And you will need to do a few tests so that you would be able to see the results in the data. So let's just try another one. And I think that's enough for testing now. So now we're going to go back on the left hand side, scroll to split test. And we are going to click on view data. And here you can see the data, what is happening. and how many people has given the email address and how many has really actually converted. And that is how you would do A/B testing.